For more than 45 years, Galco has been the source for industrial electronics and automation products, supporting customers worldwide with the right parts when they need them. Finding the right part for the job has never been easier. With millions of in-stock and ready-to-ship products, our extensive inventory supports thousands of applications across dozens of industries around the globe. Galco continues to provide a best-in-class customer experience that includes customer service, technical support, product reviews, tech tips, in-house repair, engineering services, and same-day worldwide shipping. Find the part you need and get it quickly at Galco.com. Millions of products, thousands of applications, your global resource.